Hey everybody! Tonight I'm gonna take you straight to Israel. Tonight we're gonna make what's called Zhoug, which is my mom recipe. Oh, mama, check this out. So, if you like chili, I'm gonna send you to heaven. Our Zhoug, which is mom recipe, chilies, garlic, tomatoes, coriander. I do 1 part olive oil, 1 part veggie oil, so it's not too strong. So here we go, check it out. So we're gonna add those chilies and this little beast. I'm gonna add the garlic and it's gonna help the blender with some by chopping this. It's simple, easy to make, and if you're a chili lover, this Zhoug chili will go amazingly with our new hummus. So stay tuned. $15 hummus, chili, pickles, pita, falafel, and heaps of love. Check this out.